construction because it's one S9 inside and one J3 inside ANTMINER, and basically it's very noisy. So we just implement this kind of system and just check what the difference is. Here it comes. It's divided on the two cameras, basically one cold camera and one hot camera. Basically from here, the Asic takes cold air, and it's very important that you put your power in the cold camera. So the power actually heating the most. And currently this Asic no more than 40 degrees. We tested it with a special test. We tested the tool here in this camera. And this is how the things change. If you put the plastic back, cover it, no noise at all. It's even less noisier than my farm. 1060 NVIDIA cards, 6 cards, apparently it will be more cards. So this is the motherboard. So it will be 12 cards here, in general space. Let me show you the construction here we made. That's how you put it up. It's S9, it's actually more powerful, so it makes much more noise than the 3. So we made up this kind of sound isolating system. So it stops sonic waves, and the sound is breaking and losing power. Now the same, the charger, the power supply we put in the cold bag. And here we go, here's the temperature. So it's a few cameras, up and down, so to stop the sound. And actually it's working. In the simple apartment, people are living here, and it's 2 Asics. Isn't it amazing, guys?